cleaning your environment is always going to be one of the most important things you could do for your mental health and just in general, bro. So, why would you want to wake up instantly from sleeping all night and see your room piled up with trash and seeing your room piled up with just, I don't know, just nasty things, bro? Just it being unorganized, dusty, it's just nasty. Why would you want to wake up to that? I mean, I used to wake up to that. I used to not take care of my room, not clean my room or anything, bro. My room was actually pretty terrible. Like, I could say, I've been there before. I know how it is. And from my experiences, bro, when you have a dirty room like that and you wake up and that's the first thing you see, it's so stressful, bro. Like, I would instantly wake up with stress because I see my room is dirty. I see that there's trash piled up. I need to go take it out. It's just when you notice all of those things, it could just be kind of overwhelming. So I think waking up every morning, cleaning your room, organizing it back to how it was the day before, making your bed as soon as you wake up, folding your blankets, with your stuffed animals, with your pillows, just like doing these simple tasks always start your day off right. Cause bro, when you go out, you go to the gym or you just even go out with friends, bro. You're most likely gonna come back home. When you come back home, you're gonna come back in your room, and the first thing you could either see would be a nice, clean, organized room or a dirty ass room. And it's just like, what would you rather have, bro? Like personally, like for me, I want a clean room. I wouldn't say I have OCD or anything like that. Like I know I don't. But for me, it's just like I have to have my area around me clean. Because if not, I'm just like, I can't think straight, bro. I wouldn't want to be in this area. If my room was dirty, bro, and I'm saying, like, piles of trash on the floor, I wouldn't want to be home. Which, not gonna lie, bro, half the time I don't even want to be home. Like, other than my room, bro, like, my room is the most cleanest part of this house. If I'm gonna be honest, like, my living room's cooked. Got I'll just be honest with y'all, bro. So I have a rat infestation, and yeah, it's pretty damn disgusting, bro. I hate it, but I can't do nothing about it. And the only reason I say that is because my room isn't really the cause of that. Like what I do isn't the cause of that. It's everybody else that lives in this house. And I mean, I pick up after myself, bro. I mean, I wash my dishes, I'll take the trash, I pick up trash, organize, and that's just like everything. Like I'll mop floors and stuff like that. Like I'll clean, and I'm the only one in my house that does that, you know. And but like, there's somebody in my house. I'm not gonna even say who it is. There's somebody in my house that's just going through a lot right now, and their room's just like it kind of just like fell off for like that. They used to always clean when I was younger. They used to always want the house clean, and then tragedy happened, and they're going through a lot. They're you can tell they're depressed, and what I've noticed is that she they don't clean their room. Like their room is like literally piled up with trash. There's food on the floor, old food by the way. It's just like there's dust on the walls, and it's just like I can't do nothing about that part. I've already told them that I could help them clean, and I've already told them that I could help them with whatever, man, and they don't want to take my help. And so that's why I say I really can't do nothing about it, bro. There's only a little bit that I can do. I'm 17 years old. I live in a house of just adults, and they don't really listen to me, bro. So there's only a little bit I could do, which kind of sucks because I'm tired of the rats. But other than me yapping about my problems with like rats and stuff, all I'm trying to say is like, yeah, my house maybe a little bit dirty, but I still try my best to clean it up as much as I can. Like there's just certain things in this house that I can't really get rid of right now. There's like my living room's just uh it's just like packed with just like old things that need to go to the dump, you know? Like I need to just haul it all to the dump. But I can't really do that right now. Like my house isn't like the dirtiest, you know? Like I have a nice house, bro. Like I'll admit, like I have a nice looking house. It's just sometimes the people inside this house don't take care of it. I mean, I do my best to take care of it, but there's only so much I could do. But what I'm trying to say is like I used to just like sit here and be like, bro, what, bro? Nobody else wants to clean. Why should I? I mean, it's just gonna get dirty again. And I was kind of stuck in that like mindset, bro. I wouldn't do nothing, bro. I wouldn't do nothing about it. I knew I hated having a dirty house. I knew I hated having just a nasty smelling house. But I didn't do anything about it because I had said that it's gonna get dirty again. So what's the point? But then I realized that like push comes to shove that I just need to do it, bro. I need to just do what I need to do and take on those responsibilities that I have as a man, bro. Like you should know how to build skills for yourself. And one of those skills should be cleaning and trying to keep your environment clean. As a man, you should be able to do that. You should be able to provide and help when other people can't. And man, that's what I try to do, bro. I'm only 17. There's only so much I could do, right? But I don't know. One thing I get out of cleaning, bro, is that it's like a type of mental clarity. You get some type of clarity from doing it. You notice that when you're doing these hard things, that you just like kind of build that self-confidence for yourself. You're like, you tell yourself you're gonna clean and then you do it, and you're just kind of building that confidence. Rather than you say you're gonna do this, you don't do it, and then you're just gonna be like, well, bruh, I can't do anything. It's just like your self-confidence is just gonna go down. So that's one thing I do notice, like, of cleaning, bro. And it's just not even just cleaning in general. It's just the things about just doing something you don't want to do and doing it. Okay, hold up. That was bad. What I get out from it is doing something you don't want to do when you don't feel like it. And when you do those things where it's literally just like that, like going to the gym. Let's say you don't want to go to the gym, but you still go. Like that's just like, it's just good, bro. Like you're building that foundation. You're building just that concrete barrier for your feet, bro. Like you're just supporting yourself when you actually go through with what you say. So I don't know. I genuinely think that if you don't clean and you kind of just let everybody else clean, bro, I genuinely just think just give a little bit of cleaning a try, bro. It gives you something to do, and you're just gonna feel a whole lot better afterwards. You're gonna have that mental clarity. You're gonna feel that, like, your mindset's just gonna be thinking that if I clean today, I did this, why can't I go do this? Such as maybe going to the gym or something. You know, so like I don't know. You kind of build that foundation when you do things that you don't want to do. It's just you're gonna keep building your self-confidence up to where you know that you could do anything. So I don't know. I think it's very important that you should build a foundation to where you're cleaning, reading the Bible, reading, journaling, um, watching self-improvement videos, taking some notes. I don't know, just like doing productive things that'll like genuinely just make you a better man or woman. I don't know. I just find that important. But I thank y'all for watching, man. I hope y'all don't think I'm yapping about nothing, but let me know in the comments if you find my videos helpful or if you find them boring, bro. Just be honest with me, honestly. But I thank y'all for giving me y'all's time. It's the longest video so far, but it's alright. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.